The truth is, you need phrasal verbs to understand and be understood in English. And they're so difficult to learn. But in this series of short lessons, you're going to learn some of the more common ones. You'll learn how to pronounce them in a fast, natural way, and also the way that native English speakers use them in everyday conversations. For a free guide to all the phrasal verbs used in this series, just click the link in the description below. If you're already a member of our English Improvers community, this will be sent to you automatically. Hi, I'm Steve. Let's do this. Today's really useful phrasal verb is turn down. To say this in a fast, connected way, we need to blend the n sound from the end of turn to the d sound at the beginning of down. And the reason we can do this is because our tongue does roughly the same thing to make both sounds, the n and the d. If you just make those sounds yourself, you can feel your tongue go up, n, and down, d. So to say this naturally, start saying the n as your tongue goes up, and then as it starts to come down, then say the d. So turn down becomes turn down, turn down. You try, turn down. If you do it correctly, it should just sound like one word, turn down. Now you turn down something if you don't want it. Why didn't you accept the job offer?
I decided to turn down the offer because it wasn't really what I was looking for.
Turn down can also mean to make something quieter or not as strong. Can you turn down the air conditioner? I'm freezing. Now listen to both these uses for the phrasal verb turn down being used in one conversation.
I'm going to have to turn down the invitation to your party.
Why would you do that?
You always play your music too loud.
Don't worry, I'll turn it down. Watch out for the next bite-sized lesson in this series. I'll see you next time.